Remove all 3 headrests and set them aside, ready for fitment. Check the white tag and ensure the code ends with CTR for centre. Slide the cover over the centre headrest with the tag facing the front and pull it down firmly into place. If required, use the floor mat for extra support while pulling the cover down. Once fitted, secure the hook and loop. Fit each outer headrest cover, slide the cover down firmly into position. Once fitted, secure the hook and loop. Set all 3 headrests aside for later reinstallation. Slide the console cover over the console with the cup holder provision facing up. Ensure the logo is facing down so it is visible when the console is returned to the upright position. Pull the cover down firmly and check that it is sitting straight. Pull the lower section of the cover down and tuck it into the gap beneath the console as you push it down. Once the rear section lifts through, pull it out fully and attach the hook and loop to secure it. Check the white tag on the seat base cover. The 40 cover is the smaller section of the rear seat base. Place the cover over the smaller seat base section and align it roughly into position. Line the cover up carefully and ensure it is sitting straight. Tuck the side strap underneath the seat belt. Feed the centre through between the seat base and backrest until it comes through at the rear. On the outer side of the seat base, locate the release tab and pull it to lift the seat base. With the seat base lifted, pull the hook and loop through from the rear. Check the cover's alignment along the edges and pull it down firmly if required. Take the side strap, pull it under the seat and attach it to the carpet beneath. Attach the centre hook and loop strap over the same carpeted section. Locate the small straps tucked into their seat base cover, untuck them, pull them down tightly and attach them to the carpet underneath the seat. Once secure, lower the seat base back down. Place the remaining seat base cover over the larger seat base section. Push the cover down the side and tuck it in neatly. Check that the cover is sitting straight and aligned underneath the seat belts. Feed the hook and loop side through in between the seat base and backrest using your hands. Once pushed through, attach this directly to the carpet so the cover does not lift. Lift the previously fitted seat base again, locate the 2 straps on the side of the seat base cover, feed them underneath and attach them securely. On the outside edge of the seat base cover, locate the elastic strap. Wrap the elastic strap around the plastic section on the side of the seat and secure it firmly. Tuck the cover in neatly along the outer edge where the elastic strap was fitted. Pull the seat belt forward and guide the backrest cover around it. Start by positioning one corner of the backrest cover onto the seat. Feed each headrest hole through its corresponding eyelet at the top of the seat to help hold the cover in place. Then, fit the opposite corner over the other side of the seat. Pull the lower section of the cover down and straighten it as required. Feed the sections through between the seat base and backrest. These straps must pass over the metal bar inside the seat. Reach through by hand and guide each strap over the bar. Tuck the smaller straps through underneath and around the seatbelt buckle areas. Check that the cover is aligned correctly along the edges. In the centre section, feed the hook and loop that sits beneath the seat belt through between the seat base and backrest using your hands. Repeat this process on the other side. On the outer edge of the backrest, locate the long strap. Feed this strap through the side of the backrest and attaches behind the seat. Repeat this process for the other side. Reinstall all three headrests into their original positions.